want to show you this quick trick in Photoshop with Expand AI. So I've got this situation where a client says they want this photo as their wallets, okay? And you might have other various reasons why you'd want to extend a photo, but unfortunately what it's showing me here in the print software program is that it's going to cut his head off. I don't want to do that. So what I do is I go into Photoshop, I open up this image, and I go to the crop tool. And then I'm going to literally pull this up to give it a little bit of room here and pull it down to give it a little bit of room on the bottom. And then down here where the generate for AI is, I'm just going to hit generate without any instructions. Okay, so we're back. So it is going to give you 3 options to pick from. So here is the first one. And I'm loving everything I'm seeing except for this is not what the building looks like. If I hide that layer, you can kind of see the before. But this part's going to get cut off, so that may not be very important. Down here, this looks fantastic, although I don't know what's going on with his feet right there. So let's go to the second one. Second one is not looking so great. I don't know what's going on up here with these clouds. The bottom looks fine. And then the third one. Again, something weird's going on with his feet, but I think that part is not even going to show, and I could probably cut it off anyway. So this part right here looks really good. So I'm going to go with this one. So I'm just going to flatten this, and I'm going to export this one. And there you go. I'm going to use this new photo as the one for their wallets. Thanks everybody for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.